Good afternoon student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this platform I am dealing with the mean median mode section. In my previous video you will see that I have solved the question related to the median. Today I came here with the question related to the mode. First of all I will find, or you will see that how I will find the mode of the equation, mode of the given things. Here I have written the question, that is question from R.S. Agarwal book. This question you will get in example, that is example 1. Here see what is mode. Most repeated value in a group data is called mode. Most repeated value in a group data is called mode. ठीक है, सपोज करते हैं कि मान लीजिए एक रिज़ल्ट आया, रिज़ल्ट में जो है मैक्सिमम बच्चे का क्लास के स्ट्रेंथ 45 है, उसमें से 30 बच्चे का मार्क्स जो है वो आपको 55 या 50 रह गया, तो जो मोड होगा वो 50 होगा या 55 होगा, वॉट एवर बी द, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट गेट दैट मार्क्स, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड मोड. How I will find this one mode? So first of all I will just say one thing, that in your book there is a formula of the mode, and the most of the student complaining that sir this formula is very toughest, I am not able to recognize this formula in the examination. So for this I will just say that you don't need to know the formula, you just need to know the steps of anything, whether it is mean, median, mode, whatever. The first thing is that note down the step, recall that step in the examination, and then find the value of whatever required. So here the step is that you need to focus on the highest frequency for getting mode. So highest frequency is F. The first I will have to put a mark on highest frequency, this one. Then I will have to write the model class. So model class will be 60 to 80. Now lower limit of that is this one. Lower limit of this model class is 60. Now after L there will be H, height of the class interval, that is 20. Now after this H we have to find F. What is F? F is the frequency. Frequency is 12. You need 5 things to find out the mode. The first thing is this one, second this one, third this one. Now you need 2 things. So what is 2 things? You have to pick this one, above of this one and below of the frequency. Above of this one and below of the frequency. In the book you will see that this one will take as F1, F minus 1, this one is taken as F2 or F1, whatever. This one is taken as F0. So if you are unable to recall, then you put this one as F, put this one as X, put this one as Y. So X will be 10 and Y will be 6. Now recall the step of mode formula. First L will be used, second height will be used 20, third F will be used 12, then minus X will be used, then double of this one, 12 to the 24, minus sum of this one both, 10 plus 6, 16. This is the steps. Without knowing the formula you can calculate if you are knowing the step of the mode. Now after this 60, 20, 10, 12 minus 10, 2, 24 minus 16, 8, 60, 20, 1 by 4. It will be 60 plus 5. So mode will be 65. Mode is equal to 65. This is the method to find the mode of a group data. Let's take this one and let's go for another example to find the mode. See student, this is the question number 2, and this question you will find from R.S. Agarwal book in example. This is example number 7. In this question the given data is that shows that here marks obtained by the student and number of the student. Less than 10 there will be 7 students, less than 20 will be 21 students, same like that. We have to find the mode of this data, we have to find the mode. First of all we have to convert this into the group form, and for this you need to write like that. First you need to write CI. You need to write CI. CI will be class interval will be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, something like that. Then 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, now 70 to 80. This is the class interval. Now you have to find the frequency Fi. For finding the frequency, the step will be same. Yeah, this is the cumulative frequency. This is not the frequency. This is the cumulative frequency. See like that. Less than 10, 7, less than 20 may this one also be included in the less than 20. So less than 20 is 21. So it is included of this part. So we have to find the frequency separately by subtracting the above. So first one is 7. Second one will be the 21 minus 7, 14. And now the frequency of this one 34 minus 21. So 4 minus 1, 3, and 3 minus 2, 1. Now 46 minus 34, 6 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 3, 1. 66 minus 46, 6 minus 6, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 6, 1, 7 minus 6, 1. 92 minus 77, 12 minus 7, 5. Now 8 minus 7, 1. Okay. Now this one will be the 8. So this is the process. Now after this one you can take one thing, just erase off, or it is not needed now. Now first of all we need to focus on greatest frequency. The greatest frequency will be 20. This one I have put the mark. So above this data the model class will be, with the help of this data, model class will be 40 to 50. 40 to 50. So L will be 40. Now H, what is H? H will be 10. Now after H you need F. What is frequency? This is F, 20. After X, F you need X, this one. X is equal to 12. Now this one, Y is equal to 11. Okay, this one. Now the 5 things have contained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go to the formula step. Mode is equal to first this one, second this one, third this one, minus fourth this one, double of 20, 40, minus 12 plus 11, 23. Okay. Now the mode will be 40 plus 10, 12 minus 20 minus 12, 8. Now 17. This time will be 17. Now 40 plus 80 divided by 17. Now 40 plus, when you will divide 80 by 17, the result will be 4.71. So mode will be, now mode is equal to 44.71. This is the value of mode, this one. When you will divide 70 by 80 divided by 17, result will be 4.71. Okay, this is the process to find a mode. Hope you have find like it. Now with I will go for finding the missing frequency with the help of mode. Now missing frequency with the help of mode. This question you will get this question from R.S. Agarwal example. This is example number 5 from R.S. Agarwal book. In that it is given that mode of the data is given, that is equal to 36. Mode of the data is equal to 36, and here is the missing frequency. Dotted will be the missing frequency. Now I will take dotted as A. Now see this one. I will go with this. So mode is 36. With the help of this, modal class will be found. Modal class will be where 36 will lie in class interval in 30 to 40. In 30 to 40 you will get the 36. This will be the modal class. Now with the help of this modal class I will able to find the lower limit 30. Now h will be 10. Now f, what is the frequency of this class interval? That is 16. Now above 1 x is equal to a, below of this one y is equal to 12. Okay, this is the modal class. Now formula, mode is equal to L, that is 30. Now h, that is 10, f 16, x a divided by 2f, that is 32, minus 12 plus a, x plus y will be 12 plus a. Now 30 plus 10 divided by 60 minus a divided by 32 minus 12 plus minus a, and the mode is 36. Mode is 36. Transfer this 30 to this side, it will be 36 minus 30 is equal to 10 into 60 minus a divided by 20 minus a. Now 36 minus 30 is 6. 6 into 20 minus a is equal to 10 into 60 minus a. 120 minus 6a is equal to 160 minus 10a. Now minus 6a plus 10a is equal to 160 minus 120. Now 160 minus 6a plus 10a will be 4a. 4a is equal to 40. So a will be 40 divided by 4. That's why a is equal to 10. This is the process to find the missing frequency with the help of mode. Now I am writing the formula. As per my way, the formula of mode will be L plus H under bracket F minus X divided by 2F minus X plus Y. This will be the actual formula of mode. Hope you will have learned. Established by God. Keep maintaining the social distancing. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching. Share among the loved one if you like. God bless you. Take care.